Guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about implementing a GDPR compliance program using Form Titan and Salesforce. This is video number 2 of the GDPR series. So just a recap, we looked at the learning objectives in our last video, how we're going to create the form, allow our context to manage their information, and then add some security by using the Smart View functionality. We then went ahead and created our first name, last name, email, mobile, consent, and send button. In this video, I'm going to show you, once you've created all your fields, how you can push that GDPR data straight into Salesforce using the Form Titan functionality. Let's get started. Back in my org here, I've got my name, my email, mobile, I consent, I do not consent to our GDPR details. I've set the same fields in here, first name, last name, email, mobile, I consent, I do not consent, and send. But how do we push that data into Salesforce from Form Titan? Alright, in order to do that, you need to expand our Salesforce integration, click Edit on Push, and then select Add Object. At this point, Form Titan is going to ask you which object you want to push the data into. We are going to say Contact. Let's just add a little comment, create new contact with GDPR details. And then our action is going to be create. All we now have to do is map our fields. And then we have two types of mappings. We have Salesforce Mapping, where we can see all our Salesforce fields on the left, and then our form fields via this drop down. If you like another view, we have Form Mapping. This is where you see all your form fields on the left and your Salesforce field in a drop down. I'm going to stick with the Form Mapping for now, so let's go ahead and map our fields. Our first name is going to go into Salesforce first name, email into email, last name will be last name, mobile will be mobile, I consent will be I consent, tick box, I do not consent will be I do not consent. Let's go and check all our map fields. So we got first name, last name, email, mobile, I consent, I do not consent. Once you've done that, click apply again, and then click finish. Go ahead and save. And now we are ready to test our form. But for our submit button here, we need to make sure that it's just a one-off submission, you will need to click on the button and then make sure the button type equals submit, like here. Once it's done, you'll save it. Now let's go ahead and publish our form. And let's go and create some data. So we'll say Joe, blogs. Let's go for Joe at gdpr.com. Mobile can be anything, doesn't matter. By clicking I consent, you are confirming that you read the privacy notice and that you agree to demo company process your personal data to marketing activities. I will go ahead and select I consent, and then I will click send. Okay, our form has been submitted, but how do I know our form has actually submitted? Under the Salesforce integration dropdown, you can click view integration logs. And this will tell you what's happened in our log here. So here you go, you can see success, and then it will give you the record ID. And the record ID can directly take you to the record that's just been created. And there you have it. We've got Joe Blogs, email, the mobile, and finally we have consented to the information. And that's how you do it. That's how you get the data directly from Form Titan into your Salesforce org using our push functionality. In next video, I'm going to show you how to use our Smart View functionality to manage your Salesforce data using a very secure functionality. Can't wait for the next one. I'll catch you then. Thank you for watching this video.